In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Calendar. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your tasks and events living in one place, so it's much easier to stay on top of your schedule. First, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account using your usual details. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different views and options. From there, you want to switch to the calendar view, sometimes called the planner view. Click that option and your ClickUp calendar will open, showing your tasks laid out by date. Inside this calendar view, look for the option that mentions Google Calendar. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a button, a small link, or a setting inside the calendar menu. Click on the Google Calendar option and a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll connect your Google account. In the pop-up, you may see one or more Google accounts that are already logged in on your browser. If the account you want to use is listed, simply select it. If not, choose the option to use another account, and then sign in with your Google email and password as you normally would. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the account that actually holds the calendar you want to sync with ClickUp. Once you've selected or signed into your Google account, the pop-up will refresh and show you the permissions that ClickUp is requesting. This usually includes access to view and manage your calendars, so it can display events and keep everything in sync. Read through this carefully so you're comfortable with what you're allowing. When you're ready, click Continue. You may also be prompted to confirm exactly what ClickUp can access. This can include which calendars under your Google account you want to connect. If you have multiple calendars, such as work, personal, or shared calendars, make sure you select the ones that are relevant to your ClickUp workspace. Then click Continue again to confirm. After you've granted access, the pop-up will close automatically and your ClickUp calendar view will refresh. Give it a few moments. You should now see your Google Calendar events appear directly inside ClickUp's calendar. From here, you can navigate through days, weeks, or months and see both tasks and events together in one integrated view. And that's it. Your ClickUp is now successfully integrated with Google Calendar.